It is the beautiful marriage of my sister's daughter, our daughter Ekta Wali getting married to Raj and Dr. Wali, Dilipji Wali. Our brother-in-law is by the side with the black with the blue suit. You can see, ladies and gentlemen, and it's a very beautiful time, beautiful place, beautiful moment. So, ladies and gentlemen, so you can just see that how beautiful the marriage Kashmiri Pandit with all the Kashmiri Pandit hymns and chants is going on, ladies and gentlemen. And you can just see that all these people with Kashmiri Pandit family marriage going on, and all the dignitary, all the guests and the relations are there. They're enjoying, and of course it's a very beautiful winter day. It is daytime marriage, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just trying to see. This is my brother, Sushil. Give a big smile, sir. Good.
God bless.
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, have a close-up look. And of course, I just the brother of the bride, he's also there. He's coming all the way from USA. Mr. Wali, and of course, all the other people are also here. There is some chanting of humans. Dr. Wali is doing the Kanyadan. He's also there. So, ladies and gentlemen, you can just have a feel of, and of course, Uncle Ji is also there, and Bubbly flanked by Fobly, and of course, my father's sister Prabha Cow. Of course, she's the tallest lady, and of course, again my uncle Pandit Bansilal Kher Saab, flanked by his daughter Sangeeta Wali. He is again the tallest and the most revered and respected person in the family clan. So he's the happiest man today, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, the other people are also there. That is Dida, our sister again. And then I'm just trying to see the other people whom I know, and giving you a glimpse at the same time of the beautiful marriage that's going on of Ekta Wali getting married today. And ladies and gentlemen, you can just have a closer look and a closer view of the people there. And then there are few people whom I know. I don't know all the people because I'm meeting them after a very long time. So, ladies and gentlemen, you can just see that all the people, they are all smiling. And again, my sister, she's also giving a big smile. Give a big smile, Bubbly. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, so that is. I'm just trying to see my other family members also. Maybe my wife is also there. She is there, sitting with that green lady that with that red suit in the middle. Ladies and gentlemen, they're all enjoying it. Thank you very much. God bless you. So, ladies and gentlemen, again I'm giving you this is my sisters. This is my sister's daughter, our daughter's marriage, Ekta Wali. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very important day for us because she is starting a very new life today. And ladies and gentlemen, this is a very important day, very important moment for all of us, and we are celebrating and enjoying here. We are celebrating and enjoying. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you.
Quer falar daí?
खैर में वो छतरी रखी जय माला ना